How to add Wix website to Google Search Console. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply search for Google Search Console and then click on the first link. Then you're gonna get redirected here, and then you're gonna have to simply click on Start Now. Now here you're gonna have to simply enter your Wix website domain and then click on Continue. Then you're gonna receive a verification code here, so this HTML tag. So you're gonna have to copy this, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply go to Wix, and then you're gonna have to simply go to your SEO dashboard. So we're gonna have to simply go to SEO, and then here we're gonna have to upload that code. So you're gonna have to simply, so let's see. So as you can see, click on Get Started, and then here you're gonna have to simply start entering all the information about your website. So let's choose this one here. So I'm gonna skip through all of them because I don't actually so let's see, tutorials, test, no videos, then click on next. Now here you're gonna have to, as you can see, we're gonna have this option to connect this site to Google Search Console. Then simply click on connect now. But first of all, you're gonna have to complete all these setup first, and after that you're gonna be able to connect to Google Search Console. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.